with the 35th example. Okay, and what is said here in this example, in a children's park there is a slide which has a total length of 10 meter. So here the length of this slide is 10 meter and the height of the slide is 8 meter. Now they said a boy weighing 200 Newton. Okay, so the weight of this boy is 200 Newton. Climbs up the ladder to the top of the slide and slides down to the ground. So here this is the forming a triangle here, and if required we will find this angle if required. The average friction is 3/10 of the weight. So the frictional force offered by the slider on the boy is 3/10 times of its weight. So this get cancelled and that comes out to be 60 Newton is the frictional force. Now in the first part it is asked the work done by the boy on the ladder. So work done by boy on ladder, so that would be equal to force exerted by boy into the displacement of ladder. Here while climbing up, but obvious while climbing up the boy is exerting the force on the ladder in downward direction which is equal to its weight, which is 200 Newton. But the displacement of the ladder is 0, so no mechanical work is done on the ladder by the boy. Next, this is boy. Now let's solve the B part. Work done by the slide on the boy. So as the boy slides down, while the slide exert a force which is the frictional force on the boy, so the work done by slide on boy would be equal to negative work done frictional force exerted by the slide on the boy into displacement of the boy over the slide. As frictional force is the non-conservative force, so it depends on the path followed. So here the frictional force is 60 Newton while the boy has been displaced along the slide by 10 meter. So the work done comes out to be minus 600 joule. Now let's see the third part, the work done by the ladder on the boy as he go up. Okay, so let's take the next page. So here this is the slider and this is the 8 meter ladder which is 8 meter long. Now in the third question it is asked, while climbing up, what is the work done by ladder on the boy? Work done by ladder on boy. So in that case this work done by ladder on boy would be equal to the force exerted by ladder on boy into displacement of the boy. So as here the boy is exerting a force on the ladder which is 200 Newton. So for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. The ladder is always giving a reaction which is equal to 200 Newton. As the reaction force is acting in the upward direction and the displacement 8 meter is also in the upward direction, so work done by the ladder on the boy is positive 1600 joule. This is nothing but the work done by ladder on boy. Thank you.